All right, beautiful. So everyone, welcome to our Zoom call. Welcome to our webinar. Today, we plan to have a very informative call. We want you guys to understand what it is that we launched. We want you guys to understand the new procedures. We do have people here that already understand it. We want everyone to share this new idea, just so everyone can understand. When we started, the reason why we have implemented these new changes in EmpiresX is because we started this as an investment company. As we started growing, we started to achieve bigger crowds, bigger people, newer heights, and these people, great leaders that wanted to get involved with a more an affiliate program. This is why we have made this bonus plan. This is why we're adding these new additions for you guys, so you guys can partake in this project and have more effectiveness as you network. This is created for you guys. When we built the company, when we created the company, it was just an investment company. As a hedge fund, we were just trading and caring for portfolios. But now we've branched out worldwide, and we're actually spreading this new plan especially for you guys. Okay. So we are Inoki, go ahead and mute people as they come in, please. As most of you guys know, we are already pretty much active in 5 continents, over 16 countries. We have active members right now, guys, people that are already using this platform, people that are already taking advantage of what we have here. We have a great stories right now, success stories that are actually being testimonies that are actually coming out right now. So we are growing exponentially. We are growing. We're moving. This company is about a year old, but we have only started doing the network part in the last 7 to 8 months, I'd say. The reason is because we started trading this using our system for 2 years already, right? But it's been a year since we actually implemented this to worldwide. The reason why we've done this is because Flavio and I already worked with different markets before. We've been doing this for quite a while, and this is why we say that this project has 2-3 years that's already been expanding, is because we've been working on this for ourselves. As we started getting success, as we started having success story, and we implemented something that that we call a hybrid way of trading with our traders, and implemented something that works together, not only with the bot. We don't trust only the bot, we trust the people that are behind the bot. They're the ones that are the reason why everything is so effective. When you launch a bot and you make just things, the bot just trading for you, it usually turns sideways. The bot doesn't know what the market sentiment is like. This is why we have a hybrid bot that works with the intelligence of real traders, real life traders such as Josh, Diego, Luciana, people that are actually in the market doing these trades daily. So we're going to move forward here. We'll keep talking about the company a little bit. So we have our vision is to actually expand. We wanted to create a product that we're going to take to all types of portfolios. We don't want just average class or middle class or people with low income or people with high income. We actually want to incorporate this worldwide. We want to take this company worldwide. The reason is because times of COVID, times of hardship, people can actually use something which they don't have to go to school. They don't have to learn so much to be using a platform to trade, right? Being a trader, actually I believe 95% is the number of traders that are actually losing, right? That actually take losses when they trade. These people, it's because of experience. If you don't know what doing technical analysis, if you're not good doing fundamentals, if you don't understand the markets, it is a way for you to lose money. So we've created something that can kind of guide you in this new project, can kind of guide you on how to expand or how to transform your portfolio, not only from ordinary type of investments such as real estate, which we do have as well, but we can actually take your portfolio a step further, which is trading in actual markets, actual fluctuating markets, markets such as NASDAQ, such as crypto itself. And this is what we're doing with EmpiresX right now. Innovation, transparency, tranquility. We want this company to be a complete transparent company for everyone. We want everyone to feel safe here. We want everyone to be comfortable working with this company, knowing that at all times, the money is in your hands, right? We trade for you, but anytime you guys want to part ways, we have to understand it, and it is your option as well. This is why we're doing this. This is why we built this very transparent platform that allows people to trade and people to use this this bot itself to maximize their earnings. So the two main people in the company would be myself and Flavio. Flavio's here with me. Say hello, Flavio.
Hey, how you doing?
We're working nonstop, guys.
Yeah.
As I said, as I've said before, we're not the ones to put a suit on and come here and talk to you guys. We are doing this as we're working, trying to branch out and trying to show you guys that what matters the most is to make sure your profit is there, right? Not the smoky mirrors. So I myself, I've been involved with many different markets. I've done trading for quite a while. Masters in computer science. Also done some networking, some marketing directors for a few companies, and decided to start this company with Flavio because he also shares the same vision as I do. Our main vision is to be able to help people achieve financial freedom. We're not going to change. We don't change the world all at once, but we do one person at a time, right? And we believe with EmpiresX, with a strong, stable, and transparent program, we can actually offer something to the market that they never seen before. Actually, a lot of people are not our biggest fan right now because we're starting to do something that people haven't experienced before. You know, where do you go, put your funds in, trade? You know what? I'm pulling my funds out, pull it out. And then people say, you know what? This works. Let me put it right back and let me keep trading. Oh, well, I need to have an emergency. I have a family emergency. It's your freedom. Of course, there's a lot of things that we've done to change, to make you guys, to make this a more attractive plan for you guys. You guys are leaders. You guys love to work with networking, and this is why we've actually introduced something a little more for you guys, a business compensation plan that allows you guys to work a little more with your teams. Bob, you want to say a few words about yourself and about what you believe about the company?
Sure. So first of all, it's a pleasure to have you all right over here. I am Flavio. And just as that text actually said, I have a bachelor degree in system analysis and also a master's degree in project management, also related to IT. But the main thing that we usually say for everybody is that we also have other companies other than EmpiresX, and everything that we put our effort in is something from the heart. We don't want this company to actually be a company that it will end in 6 months or a year or something like that. This company is something that is going to go forever. And just like Emerson usually says, this company will be in the future for a company for our son, our daughter, or any other family member, or even somebody to take care of this company for us. So EmpiresX, it's a dream come true because we always wanted to have control over our own investment, because we actually invested so much in other companies that actually throw our money away, burned our money, and did a lot of bad things with us, that we wanted to create something that actually we're going to be a bond in between us, a really reliable, trustable system, and also something that we usually say in every single meeting that we do. Is something that is also connected to God, because we want something that is, how can I say this, a little emotional here as well, because we know that what we're doing is true. Mm-hmm. We know that what we're doing over here is something that we also are multiplying our money. We also are doing a bunch of good things with everybody. So that's why sometimes we don't even, okay, you need to suit up. You need to do something. You need to behave like, I don't know, maybe we're really serious. No, we have people that went inside the first door that we opened it from EmpiresX. We have a lot of people that went over there, we didn't even work like a website. We didn't have a website. We didn't have a bunch of things. All we had was the bot. And what we had over there, it was the first step from our dream coming true. So from that day and on, we after we had the perfect product, we were step by step going into every single area and upgrading every single thing. So right now we have a product that is not just a hedge fund that is over there to multiply money. Right now we have even a product that actually is good for people that want to make a career out of EmpiresX. That want to, okay, I want to bet my job on this. I want to bet every single thing that I can to make this profitable for me as well. So this is the thing that I have a smile on my face when I wake up, because we know that we are changing lives. So this is the main purpose of EmpiresX: change lives, make this a really profitable thing for everybody. And you guys are probably going to see in a really near future a really good thing about everybody that already changed their lives for the better. It's going to be really good. Don't spoil, motherfucker. So I'm really happy about everything that we're doing. And again, I'm not happy because I am doing or Emerson is doing. I'm happy because we are holding hands to make this profitable, and we are holding hands to make this going into a future where everybody is going to be changed even for more better than we are right now. So this is it. I am Flavio, co-founder of EmpiresX, and I'm happy to have you all over here.
Awesome, guys. Well, as you guys see, we're very transparent people. And we have a lot of positive testimonies. We're not here just to speak out without proof, right? We've proven how our system works. We've done so many proofs, so much proof, and a lot of people that are here already are actually a part of this and been receiving the great results that we've been putting out there. If you guys, today we're going to be going over our new business plan. We want to explain things. We want to go over this with you guys so you guys can also spread to your teams. On Thursday is where we have our beautiful, very connective meeting with our trader, and that shows live trading, shows all that stuff. And we've actually shown reality. We're showing real things, and not only just on one broker. We actually showed multiple brokers. We actually had people that has been with us throughout this process of growing this this fund that we're working on. So guys, as we move forward, we've made EmpiresX more profitable, right? We want you guys to have the option to choose between an investor and affiliate. Why do we do that, right? I think some people come in here and they just want to grow their capital. They just want to put their funds in here. They're not going to network. They're not going to be worried about doing any trips. They're not going to be doing any promotion, and that's understandable. Some people already have the funds and they're busy with life. And they don't take this as some other people do, which maximize earnings. Some people actually turn this into making millions because they have that type of mindset. We believe in your mindset, right? A lot of people have the right mindset to work with a product. And when you learn how to work with a product and you learn how to maximize that product, you can actually turn this into a very good financial tool. And this is what we want to do with everyone. So as everybody knows, we started to sell the bot. Our bot is our product. Okay. This is what we offer. This is actually putting people together. This is not just building a bot and throwing it out there. We actually have people behind this that's making this entire operation happen. This is why we are extremely busy. We're actually connected to markets, guys. We're actually connected to markets. I was actually going to resort this weekend, and my whole family was wondering what was going on with me because I was actually stuck inside the room because crypto was so volatile, and I didn't want to take any chances losing any funds. Funds were coming in, we're converting, we're already sending it to the bank, we're getting ready to transfer to the broker, and this is how it works. This is really not. I cannot say that we have the best image. I cannot say that we have the best picture. What we are working on as we're making things better. But I can say that right now we have the best trading tool. right? People can compete with us. They're going to show you a beautiful image and they're going to rock you with their slick hairs and beautiful apparel, but we will rock your world with our trading bot. You guys are in the right place if you want to work with something that's real. The reason why we've made bonuses and we've made things the way we have, and we don't get involved with certain types of compensation plan is because some things are just not real. As I said, as Flavio said, this is something that we plan to do. We don't have a closing date. A lot of people asked me when we started this, and I was quite offended, is when do you guys plan to close? And I was trying to understand, what do you mean when we plan to close? You don't start a business trying to close it, right? But at the end of the day, everybody's been hurt. We've been hurt. We've been manipulated. We've been used for other projects. And nobody really understood that this really is about connection with people and about honoring your word. And this is why we've built this transparent system that we want to share with you guys. So for you to have our bot, for you guys to use our bot, you're going to be as an investor, you're going to be paying the normal $400. We always charge the $400 for a bot. So today you're going to start with EmpiresX. You know what? I'm not networking. I'm not doing anything. I just want to put my money there. Let me work my money, and then I'll pull my profits out. It's $400, guys. It's a 1-year bot. As long as your capital is in that bot, it's a 1-year license that we have. We actually have the license for the bot. But we also sliced half of that price. Why? Because a lot of you guys are networkers. Networkers are going to move in volumes. And that also favors the company. Why? Because we're building, we want to build, just this year, we want to reach over $100 million in asset management. We're getting close to 60 million. Yes. Just this year, we do have the goal for 100 million. We're getting close to the 60 million mark. We might be passing it in the next few months because we do compound, we do trade in big volumes as well. But we don't want to be disruptive to ourselves. We want to grow at a steady pace as well. We're not here to. A lot of companies want to blow up overnight, and they're not prepared for that. We don't care about that. We care about stability. We want to grow slowly because we can manage this, but we are also ready in case we do blow up overnight, which we actually have been. We've been prepared for it. But it was good because we took these first 6 months of this year just to prepare ourselves for what is to come. And now we are prepared, right? Now this is why I can stand here and I can tell you guys, this is why we launched this project, this new compensation plan, for us to really get in there, really get aggressive now, and we can actually push this forward. We have all our brokers structured. We have all our traders lined up. We actually synchronize right now. That was the biggest thing, and the synchronization is the result that you guys see on your bot, right? We lose some, we win some, but we'll always make sure that you guys are getting those percentages daily. So for you to become an investor with your XBot investment is $400, but for you to become an affiliate, your XBot investment is going to be $200 from now on. So you're no longer, if you're actually going to network, if you're actually going to get people involved, if you're actually going to grow an affiliate on your affiliate program, if you're actually going to build a network with the company, if you're an affiliate from now on, you only pay $200. If you already paid the $400, the bonus has already applied as before, so nothing changes, right? So you guys already got those bonuses. For each sold bot, the company will distribute 19% as sales commissions for the network. The bot is our product, and we share 19% of the bot back to you guys. 5%, it goes up to 19 levels. It will go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, up to the 19 levels, right? So as you guys will be getting those percentages paid up for the bot commission. All right. This is very straightforward. I'm not going to go over this very much because people already know this. We had for a while.
Just make sure it's the 19 for the 200 and the 400 as well.
Yes. So we'll go over. That's a good thing to clarify. That's a good point, Flavio. So the 19% is for the 400 and for the 200, right? So if you're bringing in an affiliate, the affiliate's paying $200 for a product for the bot. So it's 19% of the 200, okay? So it goes based on the package that the person bought, goes based on the level that the person is at, If it's an investor or an affiliate, that's where the 19% comes out of, okay? So bonuses in relation to capital invested in XBot. The leader will have 2 referral links. So from now on, you actually will have the option to share your investor referral link or your affiliate referral link. Sometimes if you're bringing somebody that don't want to network, share your investor link. If you're bringing somebody that's actually going to build this network with you, then you share an affiliate link. Leaders may have investors and affiliates under your command. Investors can forward links to investor, but they cannot refer to affiliates. So investors cannot bring in affiliates, okay? Investors can only bring in investors. Affiliate can refer both investors and affiliate. So that's also something to take notes. Guys, we're recording this. Please take notes on your answers, okay? If you have answers, write them down. After, we will do a Q&A so we can go through the entire process. I will be repeating myself during this because I really want to be thorough. I want you guys to understand what we're doing here, all right? So once again, investors can forward the link to investors. Investors only bring investors. Affiliates brings investors and affiliates combined, all right? So investors will generate the 10% of their capital indication bonus, which means, let's say today I'm bringing somebody with $10,000, 10% is $1,000. $1,000 gets paid to the network. We've done this because the company will actually trade and recover that 10% and make sure that, you know, this is safe. We're not doing binary. This is a one-time thing. We can do that safely. We've done the calculations. We actually trade in order to accomplish these levels, okay? And the way it works is it's 6 different levels, right? So let's say somebody comes in today with $10,000. $1,000 gets paid out to the network. This $1,000 is 5% directly to you as a director, as the direct person. If it's my direct, I'm getting 5%. And then my levels above me, 5 levels above me will get 1% each. So it's 5% to me, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Okay, so you get paid 10% up to the 6 levels. It will generate up to 1% every day. This will generate your 1% every day for operating the bot. And we also have added a 0.2 divided into 20 levels, which will explain this for you guys as well. This is for investors. Okay, guys, we're talking about investors. So the investor will still generate their 1%. Once an investor joins, 10% of whatever capital they joined with actually gets paid in 6 levels to the network that he's under. And that investor is still going to make that 1%. Is actually going to be making 1.2%, but the 0.2% will be divided into different levels. So as you guys here see here on the right, daily the investor's making is 1%. The network is getting the 0.2%. All right, level 1 gets 12%. Level 2 gets 7%. I'll be sharing this with you guys as well, this presentation, so you guys will have this firsthand. Level 3 will have 6%. Levels 4 through 10 will have 5%, and levels 11 through 20 will have 4%. These percentages are from the 0.2. It is a small amount, but it adds up, guys. When you're actually doing the network, when you're actually networking, this adds up. As investors, we can only do so much, of course, as trading. We have to make sure that we are covering this. We are covering this in trades. So this is why it's that 0.2 for the investors, all right? And now we'll go over to the affiliates. All right, as you see, just to go back here one more time, guys, you guys can see what you're actually going to make with the $10,000 investment. You see what you make on each level. Right, so level 1, that person is going to be making $20 per day, $100 per day, actually $120 per day. $100 goes to the investor. $20 gets broken down into 20 different levels. All right, that should be pretty straightforward to understand as well. If you have any questions about this, please pinpoint a question mark, and then we will make sure that we'll go over through Q&A. The next one is the affiliate. The affiliate program. The affiliate personnel, which is you guys as the networkers will actually be also only paying the $200 for the bot, And it's the same thing with the capital indication bonus. So if somebody comes in with $10,000, we're paying that to 6 levels, 5% to the direct, 1% to the 5 levels above you. Okay, so investors and leaders will receive the division of this 10%. All right. It will generate up to 0.6 every day operating the bot. So in the affiliates, instead of making 1% a day, is going to make 0.6% every day operating the bot. And 0.6 will be divided into 20 levels above you. A lot of you guys will work with networkers. A lot of you guys will work with affiliates. A lot of you guys will actually build network. Not most of you guys here are not here just to invest. As an investor, investors are probably going about their day making their 1%. You guys are here because you're actually growing your network. This is why we've done this. We're actually taking a little bit from your daily results, but we're actually sharing it in a way where you guys will make a lot more. This turnaround will be a lot more favorable for each and every one of you guys. So as you guys see here, let's say a networker made the investment, and that investment is generating them 0.6%. An affiliate makes that 0.6%. The network is also going to get 0.6%. It's going to be $60 for the affiliate, $60 for the network. So the person made a $10,000 investment. If he's an affiliate, is actually going to be making $60, and the other $60, okay, is going to be divided to the network the same way. Level 1, in this case, will get the 12%. So this person is going to make on their level 1 $7.20 every single day that person is running his bot. Level 2 is making that 7%, $4.20. Level 3, 6%. Level 4 through levels 4 through 10 is going to be making that 5%. Levels 11 through 20 is going to be making that 4%. And this is how we make those payments for those affiliates. Okay. I'm trying to be thorough with you guys here, but we will have a lot of questions and we will explain this. I know we will have a lot of questions. It's very, and once we do that, we're going to interact and we're going to take any doubts you guys may have. So investors, 1% per day, 0.2% paid to the network. That 0.2% gets divided into 20 levels according to the APN here. Affiliates, you guys are going to be doing network. You guys are going to be making 0.6% per day. The remaining 0.6 per day is actually going to also be shared through your network for the next 20 levels. Wait, need some water. Alrighty, perfect. So we'll keep going. I'm actually going to show a quick Excel sheet that I made here. We've made a quick Excel sheet just to show you guys. Just give me 1 second here. Here it is, just so you guys can understand. I'll try to zoom in. This is just as an explanation. All right, guys. So what you guys see here, commission earned, the daily profit for an affiliate on blue, daily profit for investor in yellow. All right. So this is on a $10,000 basing on a $10,000 investment. So the affiliate is going to be making at $60 per day. The investor is going to be making, what's going to be divided per day out of that 0.6% is that $60. So the affiliate actually gets $60. $60 gets divided down into 20 levels. The investor is going to be making $100. That $20 extra that they're making, which is out of the 120, is going to be divided also down into 20 levels. As you see here, the percentages will be 12, 7, 6, 5, and 4. Excuse me. All the way to level 20. As you see the level, let's say you're an investor. Thank you. 1 second, guys. I'm going to drink some water here. Excuse me. Keep reading, man. Sorry, I gotta go over this with them really quick.
Okay. So going here into the daily profit of each, we have here the affiliate as we have 0.6 being drawn into the network. So this is if we have a $10,000 investment from each, so 0.6 represents $60. And for investors, we have this $20, so that's 0.2. As Emerson was saying, the investors, they will make for themselves 1%, and they will have an extra 0.2 for the network. An affiliate, they will make for themselves 0.6%, and they will have for the network another 0.6. Both of them going strictly into 1.2%. Okay, so making here as an example, we have 20 levels, and here on this part right over here, number of people. We did an example that from people that want to refer 3 people. From these 3 people, they refer another 3 and another 3. So here we have a network of 3 by 3. Okay. As we were looking over there on the APN, we have these percentage. So from the 0.6 or 0.2, we have 20% of that value thrown into the network. So we have 12%. So as an investor, you will receive from your first level, if somebody will go over there and invest $10,000, you will receive daily $2.40. Or if that person is an affiliate and you are an affiliate as well, you will receive $7.20. Okay, so let's make an example. So if we have 3 direct referrals, we have $21.60 for affiliate, or we will have $7.20 for an investor. So here we will have a full network. If we have the full network as an affiliate, we will receive daily, just by having these, let me see, 11 levels as an example, we will have here the sum $690,000 and 908.40 cents. So we will have daily almost $700,000 if we have a whole network of affiliates investing $10,000 each. But if we have a whole network of investors, let me go over here so you guys can take a look. We'll have a little less, but that's again, that's not a problem. We just have different type of people right over here. So if we have a whole network of investors, we will have $230,000 daily. So we're talking about all these people just referring 3 direct referrals. So this is just a little example, because how much do I receive daily as an investor? You will receive $100 daily, and an additional 0.2 will be for the network. So how much do I receive as an affiliate? As an affiliate, you will receive $60, but you will actually receive more from a network than as an investor. So affiliate will receive all from affiliate and investor. An investor just received from investors. So this example over here is pretty clear that if you are a leader, if you are over there to make a career inside EmpiresX, you will receive more than 3 times than the investor. So here we have almost $700,000 on the bottom left part right over there, and where it says sum. We have almost $700,000 daily. As an investor, if you have the same network, you will have at least $230,000. So a difference from one to another is that by sharing a piece of the pie, actually we can have more than what we actually were doing. Now take a look at the difference from what we had before and what we have now. Before, you were just going to receive the $100 daily, and now you're going to receive so much more. This $230,000 is the minimum that you're probably going to receive from this network that we have right over here.
Awesome, guys. I'm back. I had to get some water. But anyway, guys, so yeah, this is a very big number, a substantial amount. We're using a $10,000 account as a reference here, okay? This is why it's a big number. Can it be done? Of course, some of you guys have done this before. But as you guys see here, this is to just to show you the potential of this plan. Not all accounts will be 10,000. Some accounts will be 5,000. Some accounts will be 2,000. But these little percentages will add up daily, and it will generate you guys a ton of funds. And this is what we want to do. This does not, just so you guys know, oh, but what about the company? This doesn't change anything for us, right? The volume you guys are bringing, we're going to be operating. We have to make sure, we always have to make sure that we're making that 1.2% a day. The reason why we do these things and the reason why we let you guys compound, it's very simple. It's because you guys are compound once a week or once a month, depending if you're affiliate on an XBot, depending if you're on XBot or private investment. We are actually compounding every single day. So yes, the company makes money. The company is doing very good. And this is why we're presenting this to you guys, because we also want you guys to have something to move forward. A lot of people said to us, oh, we need something to promote, something that's more attractive. You know, if this is not attractive, then then we don't know what else to implement. But we've done this in very strategic calculations to make sure that what we are offering to you guys, we can meet our targets. Our biggest thing here is to make sure that whatever we do, we can always cover. So this is why we're doing this. This is why we added these percentages carefully for you guys to maximize your earnings. All right. The private investment. Private investment will work the same way, the same exact way. I'm going to go over it either way. Private investment, the initiation bot, where you'll get that 19% divided. Once the person put the capital in that they're going to be trading on, 10% of that capital gets divided into the 6 levels, 5% for the direct, 5% for the 5 levels above you, will generate you 1% every day through manual trading by our entire trading team. The value is automatically posted every day at midnight. Okay, so every day at midnight on the private investment, you don't just run the bar. You don't have to do any of that. But we post after the closing day. We will post we will actually post your percentage on your back office, right? Once we get those numbers from our traders. Also, private investment does not trade on weekends. Okay, that is strictly on NASDAQ, strictly on a stock exchange. So we will not trade on weekends. This is a 5-day trading. But private investment will also generate you guys that 1% per day. All right, 2% will also be divided to the 20 levels. So we'll be making that 1.2%. 0.2% will be divided to the 20 levels, just as the XBot will be. All right, we'll go over to the next part. Now we'll go to the network qualification. All right, so one earning. So when you have one direct sponsor with a minimum investment of $500, you will start receiving up to 3 levels, right? So when I have referred somebody, one person with $500, which is the minimum for the XBot, you're going to be able to receive those percentages on 3 levels.
The minimum investment is for yourself.
The minimum investment is for yourself, by the way. Okay, so I have to have $500 invested, and then that will give me earnings up until the 3 levels. Two direct sponsors with the investment of $1,000 will be earning up to 6 levels, right? 3 direct sponsors, minimum investment of $1,500 will be earning up to 10 levels. 4 direct sponsors, minimum investment of $2,000 will be earning up to 14 levels. 5 direct sponsors, minimum investment of $3,000 will be earning up to the 16th levels. Okay. And 6 direct sponsors, minimum investment of $4,000 will earn you up to 18 levels. And 7 direct sponsors, minimum investment of $5,000 will earn you up to the 20 levels, right? So this is for you guys. This is for the networkers. This is for those that work and actually makes those numbers. You guys, we already have people that already met these targets. This helps the company. This is sustainability, guys. We know this is sustainable for us, and we know you guys can make money. So this is why we're introducing these levels, because once you start meeting these earnings level, when you start meeting these levels, you actually start unlocking new levels as well to make earnings, right? We want you guys to start earning up to the 20 levels, and that will maximize your earnings. You guys see that what you can do with the 20 level percentages you'll receive from these trades daily. We've added passive income. This is what this is. This is passive income, guys. This is no matter what your network is doing, you're still making money, right? So if once you referred that 300 people, 100 people on in your network, maybe you referred 3 people and they bring those 300 people, well, that's generating you guys passive income. That's the most important thing, your passive income. All right. The investors will have a screen initial for investors, right? So investor screen will only be information with graphs, trades, your investment, profit available. So this is, we've limited what investors will do because they don't need certain functions. We don't want people to get lost inside the back office. So as an investor, you're going to be just really managing your portfolio, watching the numbers. Of course, if you want to see the charts, see the results on what we're trading that day, that will also be posting in your investors profile. Excuse me. The leader will have the initial leader screen, right? So for old users, the option will appear on the screen to choose whether you want to be an affiliate or an investor. For new users, this goes by you guys. Today, I'm going to add an affiliate. I'm sharing an affiliate link. I'm adding an investor. I'm sharing an investor link. But for those that already have an account, you guys will be prompted to choose. Choose wisely, but of course, we will give you time to make that decision. If you guys make the mistake, don't freak out. Don't worry about it. We will help you guys choose. Also, let's say most of you guys will be creating double accounts, 2 accounts. Oh, I want to have 1 account as a leader, as an affiliate, and I'll have my 1 account under it as an investor. You can do that. That's not a problem. You can do that. So you guys don't have to pay withdrawal fees. Just submit the ticket. The support will allow you to move funds from 1 account from your affiliate account into your investment account. Okay, we will do that for you internally, so you don't have to pay fees. And also, to make this a safe transaction, you just have to confirm through your email. Very important. We're moving funds. When we move funds, the person has to confirm through their email. Once the back office has sent you the link for you to confirm through your email, now you guys will be able to transfer those funds without having to move or having to lose a day of trade. Okay. So we are implementing a few things. We are implementing the emails for each withdrawal request and a secondary security password. The secondary security password, anytime you move funds, anytime you move anything that has to do with money, you do have to have a separate password. It's very crucial that you guys understand this. A lot of people allow family members to trade on your behalf. Oh, go ahead and trade. Log in and use the bot to trade your daily. Perfect. You can do that, guys. But we have implemented a secondary password for you only. This should be yours. This should be really something that only you know. Because every time you go withdraw, every time you go actually transact money, pull out your capital, you want to have the secondary security password. If you don't know your password, very simple. Go through if you forget, of course, go through the support. We have our 24-hour support. They will provide you with the information you need, send you the link through your email. You'll just reset it and move on as normal. All right. The back office has been simplified. We have compressed the entire menu to make it easier for everyone. And all reports will be compressed into single reports. So you guys, as you guys log into your back office, you guys start learning. Instead of having too many functions, we kind of simplify things where instead of having to go three different places to see your investment report, your XBot report, you're actually under the same page. You're just choosing a different tab within that same category. So we have made an easier back office, a more friendly and more accessible back office. All right. And now we'll go to withdrawals. All right. So the only fees that the company will charge are as follows. Okay. This is the gas fee, which can vary from 50 cents to $50. Of course, all depends on the network. You guys know how Ethereum network is. We're talking about mostly Ethereum. Bitcoin is a little more stable with the fees. The only reason why we are saying this we will not charge you our fees. This is not our fees, guys, okay? This is actually something you can go on Etherscan and you can search to see, okay, this is why they charge me $3 to get my withdrawal. This is why they charge me $7 to get my withdrawal. We've put this big margin because we see very substantial fees and it can get pretty high, but this is the only thing you have to cover, your fee. You know, this is your gas fee for your actual blockchain transaction. All right, the profits, the gas fee will always be applied. Gas fee is Ethereum network fee or Bitcoin network fee. All other network apply when we send crypto to $1 from $1 to another. With Ethereum, for example, they have a fee applied for the day. It can range from 50 cents to $50. As I said, you can always check this fee yourself. You can actually go and check this fee yourself inside Etherscan if you don't like the fee that you're paying. Right? This is the company is doing the best it can for everyone. We just want everyone to cover their fees. Okay, the capitals will be the same way. So withdrawals, the profits, and the profits and capital will be applied the same way. Suggestion: if you are a private investment, if you are on private investment, you will already wait for a month for your profit. By the end of the month, if you need to withdraw, the profit will cover the 0.5% cost. Now, there's also the 0.5% cost from the capital, okay? So let's say I started today and I put the funds today, right? Let's say I started today with the funds. Let's say I bought a bot for $400. I'm an investor. I put in there $10,000, right? The company automatically has to pay 10% of that into the network. The other, so the company has to trade already, has to start overcoming, has to make sure that we're trading to cover that 10% and a few other percentages that we cover for your bot, right? So in order to make things safely, in order to be able to transact and make sure that everything is safe for the company, we have introduced a few different things to give us the time to at least cover that 10%. Right? So once you start, let's say I start today, I put in $10,000 today, but you know what? I'm going to pull my capital tomorrow, right? A lot of people were doing that. Once we introduced this 10%, it's sad to say, but a lot of people would put the 10% today, we'll put the account today, they would get their 10%, they would take the money out tomorrow, they'll reinvest, and they kept collecting these percentages. And we knew about it, right? But we couldn't introduce these types of things without informing you guys. We can't just put something in there without letting you know. So as a safety for the company, right now, once you put your investment inside the company, once you actually added your capital, you're going to be on a 30-day period, right? If you want to withdraw within the 30 days, within the first 30 days of your capital, you can. We are not locking your funds. You can still withdraw, but you're paying a 20% fee. This is non-negotiable. This is because we are here to do something that's right. If somebody wants to manipulate our system, they can go somewhere else. This is not why we're here. We're actually offering something that we need to offer, something that's stable, right? We're not here playing with figures. So if the person wants to put the money in today, take it out tomorrow, they can. They can take their money out whenever they want to. Once they do that withdrawal, if I put my money out on Tuesday and I withdraw on Wednesday, I can. You're going to get paid the following Monday, and you're going to have to pay the 20% fee on top of that capital. Company will charge that to cover the cost for your account for those bonuses, and we do put a 10% extra to cover for any damage or anything that any overcost that we may encounter. So 1 month is not a long time. People that are investing are not investing for a month or for 3-4 days. And okay, please mute some people. All right. But after the 30 days is up, after you put your capital, as I said, you can put your capital whenever you want. If I put my capital in today, right, and in 30 days I want to withdraw my capital, you can with a 0.5% cost, right? This will cover your fee, and this will have you have already made 30% at that time. All we want you to cover some withdrawal fees. Of course, a lot of this stuff we trade is actually in fiat currency. It's in TD Ameritrade. It's in Interactive Brokers. So this money actually has to get withdrawn, get it converted into crypto, and get sent to you guys. This is why we do charge that 0.5% cost, right?
For each conversion, there is a fee.
For each conversion, there is a fee. We have to pay these fees. At the end of the day, this is why we say that following Monday is because of the time it takes for us to take from our broker to the bank account. The broker will only pay to the account that is linked with that broker. Once we receive it in the bank account, now we go and change it into crypto, and then we send to you guys. A lot of the times we are not sitting on crypto. We do not play with volatility. We are not here storing funds to gain in the future. No. Once we receive crypto from you guys, we are automatically converting to USDT. Our first game plan is convert to USDT and make sure, unless we're doing some sort of trades, but most of the funds get converted into USDT because we don't want to lose on the percentages. If we didn't do that, then we would be in trouble a lot of the times, right? Because look at what happened to crypto. This is why we convert it right away. We don't wait for these 30%, 60% volatility drops. And this is why we incur these different fees. All right, guys. I'm gonna go into the Q&A with you guys right now, just so we can. I know there's a lot of information. I want to do the Q&A so we can clear the entire the actual entire presentation. Okay. Oh my God. All right, guys. So actually, let's do that. Let's go to our career plan. All right. So we did create a career plan for you guys. All right. A career plan is just for us to acknowledge. Most of you guys already know this. Look, guys, we've made something that's sustainable. We're not here just to put on the shiny armor or nothing like that to make everybody feel good. We really want to honor all our leaders. We want to give them these benefits. We want to give them these gifts for your great work. And we've done it as sustainable for the company. So the career plan, we're just going to go over with you guys really quick, just so you guys can understand how the career plan works. All right. As a trader bronze, we'll start with the bronze level. It's a $16,000 volume. You'll receive a ledger or the volume or the money for the ledger if you guys want to receive it. And the 20 levels in your volume, it works as a minimum volume per team. So each volume per team, we're going to count 40% of that volume. And when it amounts to 16,000, you'll be receiving the ledger. Okay. Next part is a smartwatch. The volumes is in your team, guys. This is why these amounts are higher, because once you guys reach these amounts, once your team gets to work, you guys are gonna be maximizing these volumes every day, and this is accumulating. Okay, so you're always accumulating for the next prize. The next level is a trader silver, which is a smart watch. It's 20 levels in volume, right? And your volume at your max levels is $48,000 in your 20 levels. Alrighty, the trader gold, you'll be receiving the iPad, and it's $64,000 and your 20 levels in volume. Okay. Next part is the travel voucher, trader sapphire, right? So once you reach $480,000, you guys will be receiving a travel voucher. All these prizes, if you guys don't want the prize, you guys will get the equivalent. For example, travel voucher, I believe, is $4,000. You guys will be receiving that in crypto, or the travel voucher if you guys would like to go traveling. All right. The trader emerald, you'll be receiving a Rolex watch, 20 levels with a volume of $1.6 million. Next is trader emerald X, which is compact car, 20 levels in a volume of $3.2 million. All right, we're actually going to have to. So we have a few people that already got this compact car already. The Trader Ruby is a luxury sedan. We're talking about a Rolls Royce or a Mercedes Benz. 20 levels with $11.2 million. All right, or a luxury SUV, which over here will be something like a Lamborghini Urus or a Bentley Bentayga. Or you guys will also be receiving the money for the car, which is around $300,000 to $400,000. All right, and it's the $16 million and 20 levels in volume. All right, the next one is Trader Diamond. It's the exotic car, Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari Stradelli, something with that caliber. It's 20 levels with the volume of 48 million. This is not just you. This is actually 20 levels down. You guys are actually going to be meeting these targets fairly easy. Trader Double Diamond sports car will be something a little more higher. Actually, this will be like the exotic car will be like a Huracan or a Ferrari 488. The Trader Double Diamond will be the sports car, which would be like a hypercar, probably like a $1 million Ferrari or a Bugatti or that level, right? This volume is $80 million in the 20 levels. Okay, guys, this is just as an appreciation for every person that hits these targets, and we're also going to do some acknowledgement for our leaders at our events. That's going to be we're going to have one in Dubai now. We're going to have one in Cancun. And as we do these events, we're going to be acknowledging you guys, and we are going to be giving you guys things to promote, to show that you guys, all the hard work you guys are doing for the company as well.